Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect a TV to an Xfinity NOW Wi-Fi Pass. Start by turning on your smart TV and opening the settings menu. Go to Network or Internet Settings and choose the option to connect to a wireless network. From the list of available networks, select Xfinity Wi-Fi. Many smart TVs require a sign-in step before the internet connection becomes active. If your TV has a built-in web browser, open it after connecting to the network. On some models, opening a streaming app may also bring up the sign-in page automatically. When the Xfinity login page appears, enter the credentials linked to your NOW Wi-Fi Pass and complete the sign-in process. Once the login is successful, your TV should be connected and ready for streaming. If your TV does not support browser-based logins, or if the sign-in page does not appear, you can use another method. Connect your smartphone to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network and sign in with your NOW Wi-Fi Pass. After that, turn on your phone's mobile hotspot feature. Next, return to your TV, open the Wi-Fi settings, and connect to your phone's hotspot network. That is how to connect a TV to an Xfinity NOW Wi-Fi Pass. Thanks for watching.